Hello everyone, welcome back to Gupshup with Khanak. This is Khanak Hajela reporting. Let's get started with today's topic. So sometimes when you are a regular customer of a store, they offer you a coupon, a voucher or a huge discount on some items, or maybe sometimes even a huge cashback. But fraudsters can scam us by giving us similar looking deals. So how do we prevent ourselves from that? Let's see from Raju's story. So Raju was a regular customer of the supermarket which was near to his house, and he used to purchase many items and spent huge amount in that store. So one day Raju got a call, and as soon as he picked up the call, the person on the other side asked, "Am I speaking to Mr. Raju?" To which Raju replied, "Yes, you are speaking to me." The person said that, "Sir, you are a valuable customer of our store. It is XYZ supermarket, which you might know because you purchase a lot of items and you are a regular customer." On hearing that, Raju said, "Yes, I do visit to your supermarket very often and it's near to my house." On hearing that, the person on the other side said, "Yes sir, exactly that is why we want to offer you a cashback of a huge amount, which is 25,000, because you are a valuable customer and you are a regular customer and you spend a huge amount in the store." On hearing that, Raju said that, "Of course I am interested in the cashback, just tell me what to do next and I will proceed with the process as you say." The person said, "That's great sir that you are interested. Can you share the photo of the bill of the recent purchases that you made? That way we can have an idea that how much amount of cashback we have to give you, because it is 25% of whatever amount you spent last time." After Raju sent the photo of the bill, the person on the other side said that, "Sir, there's just one thing that you have to do. I am sending you a link on SMS and you just have to go through the procedure as I say. I will direct you." And Raju agreed. After a few minutes, he got the link and the person directed him through the process, that how Raju will have to click the link, then fill the form. And after submitting that form, Raju asked that when will he receive the cashback. On hearing that, the person said that, "Sir, you will receive the amount after 5 days and it will be credited to the bank account of which the details you have given in the form." On hearing this, Raju was stress free, he relaxed. But after that, days passed and it's been 7 days, but Raju didn't receive amount. When he tried to contact that number, the number was switched off and unreachable. And that is how Raju knew that he has been scammed. And after a few days, Raju noticed that there have been multiple purchases made on his name through his account, and that is how he knew that he has been scammed. So what did we learn from this story? Point number 1. So if there is a cashback or an offer from a valid and authentic marketplace where you purchase often, make sure to go to the inquiry desk and confirm there is such offer available in order to ensure the authenticity of the offer given to you. Secondly, do not rush financial decisions and give out bank details through forms sent to you by an anonymous person through SMS. Lastly, if you are a victim of such a scam, do report it to your nearest cybercrime station or to the official government website, that is www.cybercrime.gov.in. We will meet next week. Till then, keep smiling. This will be the conclusion of our today's discussion. To watch more of this content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and we'll keep the videos coming. A KH production.